A series of molecules come together to make a protein, be it collagen protein or a protein needed to develop skeletal tissue. In this instance here, branched chain amino acids are the series of amino acids needed coupled with other amino acids to make complete protein. I'll rewind that again. Amino acids come together to make whole, complete protein. Whole or complete protein is what the body needs to repair muscle mass. When can you drink these amino acids, also known as BCAAs? Whenever you want to throughout your day, but I suggest perhaps before, during, or even after your workout. That way the body has what it needs to repair, recover, build the skeletal muscle mass that you're trying to develop. Simple as that, you guys. Branched chained amino acids, the molecules needed to make a complete protein.